Yo, what's up guys? I'm making a new ramen for me and my siblings. This is the new ramen, bro. This is a Buldak Pokemon number the hot chicken flavor ramen. This ramen is the 2-time version and has a scope of units 8,000 units. This is like a spicy, it's a higher end of jalapeno. Boiling in the water, head temperature, boiling water stain. Let me see if I can cut this open with one scissor, one-handed. Oh my god. With the power of moving magic, it is done. Damn, bro, they put a packet of blood. Alright, this package has dried labor and sesame seeds and will be used to flavor the meal. Damn, bro. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, bro, there's a Ramen. Oh my god, bro, really hot. And it's time. This is a ramen in water. Drop in the water. Oh my god, bro, we're boiling the water. We're boiling the ramen. Oh my god, burn it, good bro, burn it, bro. Man, why is ramen burning up in the shot? Oh my god, bro, I need a rock there right now, bro. Burn heal, dude. Alright, now it's time to turn off the heat. I had already drained it because it would have been dangerous if I had done it with only one hand. Damn, brothers, look at this freaking ramen bath, bro. Now we're gonna apply the sauce onto it. This is gonna make it spicy as heck, bro. This is like 8,000 units. This is like 15 million jalapenos in one gathering, bro. Alright guys, it's time to take a taste of this ramen. This ramen, spicy ramen. Let's take a bite. Alright. Oh my gosh, that's you know, oh my gosh, bro, the spice is really kicking in. I mean, tastes pretty decent, but wow, that is spicy, bro. I need some milk, bro. I need some milk. Oh my god. Okay, some ice from the fridge and ice from the fridge. Ugh.